Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies with fondant using an easy method. First, let's create our delicious cookie dough. You'll need 1 cup of softened butter and 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, beaten together until fluffy. Then, mix in 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Finally, incorporate 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Remember to chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for perfect cookies. Now that your dough is chilled, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll the dough to about 1/4 inch thick on a lightly floured surface. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes, then carefully transfer them to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for just 8 to 10 minutes. Watch them closely. We want them lightly golden, not overbaked, for that perfect soft texture. With your cookies cooled, let's move on to the fondant. Take your store-bought fondant and knead it until it's soft and easy to roll. Lightly dust your counter with powdered sugar to prevent sticking. Roll the fondant to about 1/8 inch thickness, then use the same cookie cutters to cut out matching shapes. To attach the fondant, brush a tiny amount of corn syrup or water onto the cookie. This creates a perfect, smooth surface for decorating. Now for the fun part, decorating. Get creative with edible markers or food coloring gels to add beautiful details to your fondant-covered cookies. You can also use small fondant cutouts or colorful sprinkles for added texture and sparkle. Once decorated, let your cookies set for about 15 minutes before stacking them. Store these delightful treats in an airtight container at room temperature, and they'll stay fresh for up to 1 week. Enjoy your beautiful creations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.